have made this possible. Today I am here to demonstrate a Texas project, Voice to Life. Our main concept was to convert and develop a language for the people who are unable to communicate with the world. Because of the constraint of the sign language, we have developed a tool which convert and translate or what can you say, translate language to a voice. Let me show how it works. The entire concept is mainly based upon this glove. It contains finger segments. Each of the finger segment is associated with certain keyword. Each keyword is converted to an ASCII value, which is transmitted by 5 output lines once we click on the button. These are pressure sensors. Each of the pressure sensor has certain signals which come and associate and goes to the transmitter Zigbee. The Zigbee transmitted, this yellow line is a transmitter which transmit the data to the receiver. The receiver get the data, then the processing is carried out. For each of the language, particular word is being designed. A, B, C, D, space, and space, enter. This is for the library zone. We can calculate from the various permutation and combination all the letters of a particular alphabet can be assigned and reassigned, and a speech can be developed. Now here it goes. I am going to say a particular type of a word and we will going to see what happens. Now let's see. Okay. Done. Now I'm going to explain how the hardware and the software connectivity is going on. This is a glove. Each finger is associated with 3 segments. Each is a pressure sensor. When we click on a particular pressure sensor, a code is generated. An ASCII code is developed. The entire codes are transmitted using copper thin wire. They are very thin. They are transmitted to the backspace and there are 5 output lines. It is a router. This yellow line is a transmitter. It transmits the data, getting a power supply from me and getting transmitted to this coordinator. It is a device which is getting the data. Once it gets the data, it processes the data over here. The processing task is carried out with each having its register, because we are going to do the potential drop measure over here. Once there is a potential drop, an ASCII code will gonna generate. Once it is generated, and these particular have a numbering issue. So there is a code being generated. This is for enter, A, B, C, D, F, E. These are the code format, the basic English format. This is a library. Once the library is being carried out, an Android application is being done.